By a special request of the squirrels tapping their toes outside the window, my window, on the trees, excited for their nuts tomorrow, special nuts. This is going to be addressing holes in my eating the Cheesecake Factory menu. Today is Wednesday, 26th November, 2025, and here I, Tanis, she, her, hers of Seattle, address holes in my eating the Cheesecake Factory menu that might arise as I make my way through the menu. So this is it's some things that have come to mind, and so I was like, okay, I've kind of addressed allergy, so I do have a few allergies, but I'm like, like the pineapple upside down cake, that's one where I'm working through it. So here we go. So there's regional menu items, such as I think there's a fresh pineapple cheesecake. I'm currently working on the cheesecake portion of the menu, and so that was one. It's the menu I downloaded, HI for Hawaii, and I was like, so I won't be getting that because that's not where I live. So if it's in my region, then yes, but if not, then no. Just kind of do the best I can. Seasonal menu items. So I've actually done 2 seasonal menu items, the pumpkin cheesecake and pumpkin pecan cheesecake. And for those items, do them as I can. So if they're available and I'm eating the menu, eat them if I remember. And then I said, so let's say I don't remember, or it's not the season, and I am allowed to go back to a section of the menu that I haven't finished, or that I have finished. So like if I had missed the pumpkin and pumpkin pecan, I could go back later and eat them. However, I did get them, so I don't need to go back to get them. Just check marked off as I've eaten them. Menu item removals. So like, let's say an item is removed from the menu, then that one's simple. I won't be eating it unless I've already eaten it. Menu item additions. So that one, do I catch it? I have a menu that I downloaded, so if it's not on there, do I catch it that it's been added, right? And if I am able, then add it. Even if that means going back. It's about eating the menu, not doing what I want to do, so to speak. I get to work on my pairing and how do I eat things in sequence, and how do I figure out when to repeat and that kind of stuff. It's a learning process, so it's really about relinquishing control and being like, figure out a business model for just eating, what is it, like 35 different types of cheesecake. Okay. So speaking to myself, right? And then YouTube content to address anything I might be unable to film and or publish. So let's say like there's alcoholic beverages. I might not film that. I've encountered people's videos getting removed for consuming alcoholic beverage. So I'm like, I could ask for like, what is it? The virgin version, which is alcohol free. However, some stuff I might not film, but if I eat them, then I need the intent here is to share my journey. So then if, or let's say something, I go to publish something and it doesn't work, maybe do like a recap video of this is what I ate and or drank and it didn't make it, be it me not filming or it not publishing or whatever. So yes, that. Is there anything else? So allergies, go through it as I can, but I think that's kind of it. Yes. And I guess there's how much do I need to eat? I just need to try it. However, it is me, Tanis, she, her, hers of Seattle, so I do like to try and eat the whole thing. However, with some of the entrees, if they're really big serving, I might not be able to eat that all in like a 4.5 minute or less, or 6.5 minute or less video. So being cognizant of not ruining the experience by only eating a few bites kind of throughout, but like trying to make it, or if I do, at least showcase the food item. So there we go. Share it as I can. So that's addressing holes in my eating the Cheesecake Factory menu. And currently I have, I think it's over 20 different videos. So 20 different like eatings, menu item eatings. And I have over a dozen different distinct menu items I've eaten. And published on YouTube.